Did you buy an ONN streaming device from Walmart and then you find out it doesn't work properly because you're outside the United States? Maybe you're in Canada, Mexico, the UK, Europe, Australia, or New Zealand, or any other country, and you're stuck trying to get it to work. If that sounds like you, don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to show you the exact method I use to get around this problem so you can finish setting up your ONN streaming device and start enjoying it. Let's jump into it. Okay, so open up your Windows PC and you're going to go to the Start search menu and search for View Network Connection. All right, so let's select that. It's going to pop up all of our internet connections, our Wi-Fi. All right, so now I want you to search for hotspot. Okay, so you're going to see over there mobile hotspot. Select that. All right, so this is what we're going to use to connect to our ONN, create a new network connection. All right, so turn that on, your mobile hotspot, and you're going to see on the left, it's going to appear as another connection there. That's great. Excellent. So that, remember that. Now we're going to go to edit it. And we want to change the name, something we're going to familiarize ourselves. So I'm just going to call it Honest Fred USA. A-OK. All right, just put a password that you're going to remember. I just put Honest Fred YouTube. Plug the channel. Hope you're subscribed if you're getting value out of this. All right, so there we are. That's our connection that we're going to use, Honest Fred USA. Next thing we need is a VPN. The one I'm using is IPVanish. I know everyone's plugging VPNs, but honestly, you need it. It's essential for this. Can't do it without it. And if you're like, oh, I don't want to buy a VPN, well, this isn't a sponsored video. I paid for it myself. For 2-year service, it's only like 50 something bucks, which is $2.19 a month. You can't go wrong. Now I'm going to show you my account so you guys know that, hey, I use my own money. I practice what I preach. And there you have it. I paid $60 US. So I actually paid more than the sale price that's going on. And it's going to last me 2 years. So I've had this. I keep on ordering this service. I've had it for many years and I recommend it. I know it works. So that's why I recommend it. I have a link in the description. And if you're watching on TV, I have the QR code. You can scan it on your phone. All right. I think it's a good value. A VPN, you can't go wrong. All right. So here it is. That's the breakdown. You see the price, all that stuff. All right. Enough of the plugging of the VPN service that you actually need for this. What you got to do is select a city closest to you in the United States. I'm in Toronto. So I am going to select the nearest city to me, which would be New York or Buffalo, New York. So I believe they have Buffalo there. Great. I'm going to select that. And it's going to connect me to the network in Buffalo. Fantastic. All right. There we have it. You see that? That means we are connected to the IPVanish VPN. So that's good. You can see. All right. Let's minimize the window here. The next thing we want to do is bridge our IPVanish VPN connection to our mobile hotspot. All right, so that we have to right click, go to properties, and we want to go to sharing and select this over here, share. And we want to remember this network connection here, the local 10. Select that, press OK. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need for your PC here. You now have a connected hotspot. All right, so you're going to load up your ONN and select your language. I'm going to select English Canada. And for the region, I'm going to select United States because I want US connections. All right, so go to manual setup, press down on your remote control. We want to manually enter our Wi-Fi password, okay? So manually set up with remote, yes, that's fine. And we're going to look for Honest Fred USA or whatever you call yours. Hey, you call yours Honest Fred USA if you want. Put in the password and connecting. We're connected. Fantastic. All right, so now we should be able to use our device. So to check our IP to make sure it's good, we're going to go to downloader And I want you to search over here. What's my IP? Enter that here. What's my IP? Okay. It's gonna load up. Now this is just to confirm, right? Scroll down, don't go to the sponsored ad. Look for what'smyip.com. There it is. Select that. What's my IP? Let's find out. Am I in Toronto? Nope, I'm in New York, United States. Beautiful. That's it. So now that we've done that, for example, we go to live TV and we should be able to get local New York stations because it thinks we're in New York. So let's go to all locals. Let's see here. Obviously, I don't recognize any of these because none of this, but this, a couple New York. Actually, let's go to local news. News 4, all this looks like New York stuff. That's great. But you don't have to pick New York. Hey, if you want to get locals, let's say Florida, California, Texas, I don't know, Louisiana, whatever, just select the IP that connects there and you could enjoy local services there. Entirely up to you. All right, so that's pretty much it. This is how you could use your ONN streaming device from Walmart anywhere in the world. Just need a VPN. I use IPVanish, of course, link in the description. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Honest Fred, and I'll see you in the next one.